Today I'm going to teach you how to create real 3D lines in After Effects without plugins. You can download the project file in the description. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year. Day 7 of 365. Let's start by creating a path, so select the pen tool with G and create a path with straight lines. We have the line created, now let's rename this to lines, just line, okay. Now open line, go to contents, shape 1, and we have to increase the stroke, and we can delete the fill and go here in stroke 1 and change line cap to round cap and line join to round join. Okay, so the corners are all round. So now let's add a round corners modifier. So go to here in add round corners, and you can modify here the corners. So I'm going to leave it like that. Okay. Now go to path 1, select path. Now go to window and select create nulls from path. It will open this window and select the first option, points follow nulls. Okay, there you go, now you can close these windows. Now if you move any of the nulls that were created, you will modify the path. That means if we make all of these nulls 3D, we can move this in a 3D space. Now let's create the camera with Ctrl Alt Shift C. There we have the camera. Position the camera. Now we have a better view of this stroke. If you try to move this shape layer, you will see that nothing happens. So to move all the stroke, let's create a null. So press Ctrl Alt Shift Y and let's name this line controller. Now you have to select all the nulls and parent it to this controller. Make the controller 3D, I forgot that. And now if you move or rotate the controller, you will see that all the stroke will move too. We can change the color of the line, so go to line, hit the selection tool and change the color. I'm going to use a light blue, okay. I'm going to add a glow. So I'm going to add a little glow here, add some radius, like 30, decrease the glow intensity, and duplicate the glow and make the radius bigger now, and decrease the glow intensity. Let me change the nulls a little bit. One thing we can do to improve this line is to go to the shape layer and go to contents, shape 1 and go to stroke. You will see this option, taper, and you can increase the start length here. So here in the beginning will be smaller and here at the end will be bigger. We can animate this line. Let's add a trim path. There we have it. And let's make a keyframe for end. And I will press U to see that keyframe. Here in the beginning change it to 0 and let's see these 2 keyframes. I'm going to keep this keyframe linear so it starts fast. So we can also add some dashes here to the line. So click in add here in the plus button. And you can make this to be just some dashes. I will keep this as a line. So let's duplicate this line. So select the shape layer, the nulls and the controller and press Ctrl D, move it here above, and I'm going to hide this for now. Now if I try to move any of these nulls, you will see that the line doesn't move. That's because they are selecting the other nulls. So we have to select here the nulls above. So go to the first effect and change it to the first null, the second one to the second, and so on. And now you can change the path of the line. I'm going to move the controller. I'm going to move the anchor point here so I can just rotate it. I'm going to change the color of this line. And now I'm going to show the other line. I'm going to move this line above. Okay, there you go. So we can also change the blending mode of the shape layers to add. Look better like that. I'm going to change the colors to keep in track the lines. I will duplicate this one last time. I will move this here above all the lines, and I have to change this. Now I'm going to animate the camera, so I'm going to create a null object, make it 3D. So it is here at the center. Adjust the camera a little bit. And now I will parent the camera to the null. This will be camera controller. And rotate the camera, rotating the null layer. So let's make a keyframe for the Y value, go a little forward, and make one full rotation. Let me see. Oh, there you go. That looks pretty sick. Okay, I'm going to assist this keyframe, change it here in the graph editor. Move it a little bit forward, like here. Okay, and let's change the position of the camera to make a keyframe here in position, and here in the end I will center this a little bit like that. If you don't want to see all of these squares for all the nulls, you can just select the nulls and hide. You don't really need to see them all the time in the screen. So I'm going to hide that. And the last thing I wanted to do is animate the lines to make them go. So go to contents, trim path, and let's animate the start. Make it go from 0 to 100. This is the keyframe, and let's see how it looks. Oh, okay. That's looking pretty awesome. Okay, so let's animate these trim paths for all the lines to make them disappear. Go to trim path here. And if you don't want to have all of these null layers in your composition, you can hide them by selecting all of them and click here in the shy icon. Then you should make this to be blue, so you can hide them. There you go. Let's preview. Damn, it's really nice. I'm going to offset when they disappear. And there you go. There you have your 3 lines in After Effects without plugins. You can find the project file in the description to download for free. So see you in the next tutorial.